Are you looking for a new compactor? Well, here at Central Precast, we're pleased to announce that we're going to be partnering with Bartell Global to sell their high performance, high quality plate compactors. Here we have the BR 1570. This is a full speed forwards and reverse plate compactor. Due to its small size, incredibly versatile. You can use this with its optional polyurethane mat to do compaction on pavers, but you can also use it for compacting aggregate and soil. Here we have the BCF 1570. Now this is Bartell's most popular plate compactor. Again, a very versatile plate compactor that can be used for many different applications. It's got this built-in water tank right here at the front, so that means it can be used on asphalt as well as to keep dirt and dust down when you're doing soil compaction. And then over here we have the BPR 1080. This is a roller compactor. This one is great for sand consolidation, so when you're finishing up your job, doing your poly sand, this is going to get that sand down right to the bedding layer. This has four rollers standard with the option of adding a fifth. So if you're interested in any of these compactors or anything else from the Bartell line, feel free to contact us at Central Precast to learn more about our in-house promotion. Thanks.